Hello friends, how's it going? It's me, Betty Jean. Today we're doing a little birthday get ready with me. It is my birthday, the day that you are seeing this. I was born on July 7th, 1994. As you're watching this, I am now 28 years old and I wanted to do my makeup and just do a little chatty get ready with me for this day. This look isn't necessarily like the look I'm gonna wear on my birthday. I don't know what I'm gonna do on my birthday just yet, but this is just the look I felt like doing today that is going to get uploaded on my birthday. I love how it came out. It's simple but fun. I like the bold elements, but it was very easy breezy to do, and I'm excited to just spend some time with you. Before we hop into it, my accessory details. These earrings are from 5 Lemons. Unfortunately, I don't know where this choker is from. I got it at a convention and they did not leave like their business card or anything, so I don't remember the shop. And this hat I've had forever. I either got it off of Amazon or Target or something like that. Oh, and I love this shirt. This is from Black Widow Yoga. I just love the print. It's so cute. There's like little kitty ghost on it. It's adorable. So if you want to just gather your makeup, do your makeup with me, maybe put me on in the background while you're doing chores or something. That's what I do with YouTube a lot. Let's just hang out together, chit chat, play with some makeup. It'll be fun. All right, good morning and hello. I have already done my brows except brow gel. That's why they don't look like they're spiked up, because they're simply not. And I've already done my primer because I like to do primer before brows as always, so that it has time to sink into the skin. I just did my same concoction I've been doing where I take the Rare Beauty Always an Optimist Pore Diffusing Primer with the Aether Beauty Desert Sky Highlighting Oil, and then I just took a little of my Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter just like on the high points of my face, just so I have a very glowy, highlighty base to start with. I just want to do something kind of minimal today. Like, I'm still gonna do like a full face, like I'm gonna even wear foundation and stuff, but as far as the eyes, I want to do something kind of minimal, just like a smoky wing situation with a little bit of glitter. And I want to do a pink lip, but I want it to be like easy, you know what I mean? So that's the plan. For foundation, I'm gonna use my Huda Beauty one. This is in the shade Angel Food. They sent this to me a while ago. They sent me like a random PR package forever ago. So I'm just gonna go with this, just a couple stripes. I'm gonna blend it out with this brush from Sigma, the F47. And going forward, if I forget to mention something, it'll be in the description box as usual. I can't believe I will be 28 when you're seeing this video. It hasn't hit me that my birthday is coming. Like, I know we have a trip coming. I've been like counting down the days to go on our trip to New Orleans, but it hasn't hit me that it's like my birthday's happening on the trip, you know? I do like this foundation. I haven't used it in a hot minute, but I do like it. Today is actually July 1st, the day that you are seeing this video. And I'm so excited to watch part 2 of Stranger Things. I'm sure all of you have already watched it by the time this video goes up, and I will have watched it too. I'm watching it tonight. And I absolutely cannot wait. I work today, and then I work tomorrow, and then I am off for like a week, and I'm so excited. I'm excited to take a little break. I've just been on pre-film mode lately so that I can have videos up while I'm gone. I'm just super excited to visit a new place, try something new. What plans do you have for July? Do you have anything exciting going on in July or just the summer in general? I'm going to start my early stages of Halloween decor hunting this month finally, because unfortunately the at-home stores that are driving distance to me never got their June, like super early Halloween decor like some stores did. So didn't get to see anything super early, but maybe in July. Very confident in that. Once the 4th of July nonsense is gone, I am coming for you. It's actually what we did on my birthday last year. We spent the like 3 or 4 days in Orlando just going to Universal. We got passes again, which they expire on my birthday, I think, or the day before my birthday, actually. No, 2 days before my birthday. They expire in a couple days. We'll probably renew later in the year when it's not a million degrees out. But we spent my actual birthday that day just like pretty much popping to every store ever in Orlando that could potentially have early Halloween decor, searching for the early stages of it. We found a little bit, not a lot, but we found a little bit. I will be vlogging in New Orleans, of course, so if you keep up with the vlogs, you'll be able to see our trip soon after I return. Oh my gosh, I feel like I can't do a get ready with me nowadays without talking about The Sims. Ooh, I grabbed so much powder then just now. Do not usually grab that much. They just released the trailer yesterday as of the day I'm filming this for the new High School Years expansion pack, and I'm so excited. It looks so cute. Totally not reminiscent to my high school years. I did not like join a bunch of clubs and have a bunch of friends and go to a bunch of parties. My social life was very small and tight-knit, and it was fine. Definitely did not peak in high school, that's for darn sure. Still gonna use this Sigma bronzer that I've been using because I just can't stop. I think it's my current favorite bronzer. It's just so good, and I love the way it blends onto the skin. I love this Sigma brush I've been using with it too, the tapered face brush, the F25. I know how to read. I'm super excited for the new Thor movie. It's gonna be so good. I just have a feeling. I'm super excited to see it. There's like literally always a Marvel movie that launches either on or around my birthday. In this case, it's launching the day after on the 8th. Because my birthday's the 7th. 7/7. I think last year it was Black Widow launched right around my birthday. Years prior, it's been like Ant-Man. Usually a Spider-Man movie launches around my birthday, at least it used to. We might possibly go out to Cocktails and Screams on Sunday, the 3rd, in just a couple days, because they do horror movie drag bingo. It's out in Orlando. If you live in that area, I highly recommend checking out that bar because it's so fun. I'm not even like a big bar person, but it's spooky and wonderful. And on Sundays, they do horror drag bingo at 7 p.m. and it's a lot of fun. I've been a couple times now and it's just such a blast. So we might do that. I guess it just kind of depends on how I feel. If I got all my work done, because I have a lot of work to catch up on before we leave. For blush, I really want to use this one from Unearthly Cosmetics in the shade Cherub. It came in that sleepover collection a while back. I wanted to use it again today because I wanted to do something kind of pinky. So I thought this would be a cute one to choose. Oh, I guess a new episode of Drag Race is out today too. Might have to watch that today also. But Stranger Things is gonna be like 4 hours of content. Might have to watch that tomorrow. I'm really excited about this season. It's been really good. I want Jinx to win so bad. I just think she's the cutest. But I'm also super into Evie, always have been. I feel like Shay's been killing it this season too. But everyone's doing so good. It's hard to even pick favorites when everyone's awesome. So for freckles, I've been kind of doing a combo. I've been mostly using my Freck as usual right there because it is my favorite. But Colourpop did recently send me just like a package of restocky type products, not things that I specifically requested. It was just a random package, and in it were the freckle pens. And even though like they do dry out on me fairly quick, I found that I kind of like using them in conjunction with the Freck because it just adds like, I don't know, some dimensional differences with the tone and the style. So I do a little bit of Freck, then I go in with the freckle pen. I kind of switch between the light brown and the dark brown. This one's the light brown, soft brown is what it's called actually. And I just kind of do a little sprinkle of it around like the nose and the tops of the cheeks, just to add a little bit of soft freckles. And then I'll go back in with Freck again, just to add some more dimension. I don't know, I know it's extra, totally not necessary, but it's been fun. And then I just kind of tap these out. I kind of like to use like my whole hand when I tap these out sometimes. I feel like it disperses them really well instead of using just like one finger and then it's like dot, dot, dot. And then I leave this little guy for the end so that I can have like my nice little beauty mark. For highlight today, I'm gonna use my favorite. I'm gonna pull out the Fenty Diamond Bomb. We love her in this household. Just gonna pop a little of that on the nose and on the cheeks. I just want to be super sparkly. I actually think I'm gonna run this all over my eyes too, as like the base to what I do today. Just so that I have glowy, glossy lids before I go in with my liner and glitter. I also need to throw on my Fenty Cherry Treat Lip Oil because I'm obsessed with this. I feel like I can't go too long without wearing it. It just nourishes my lips so nicely. Then I'm just gonna spray my face with the Rare Beauty, always an Optimist setting spray, and then we will move on to the eyes. All right, so for the eyes, I'm just gonna prime with that Sigma eyeshadow base they sent me recently in Persuade. I've been enjoying it lately, especially a day like today when I'm not really doing that much eye makeup. Like I still am, but I'm not gonna like be throwing like rainbows all over my lids. Like it'll still be fairly light and easy breezy just with some sparkliness. So this is nice to kind of cover up things and give a nice even base behind it all. I'm just going to again take my Fenty highlight and I want to just kind of swirl that all over the lid just so that I have a nice glowy kind of shiny lid. Nothing too crazy. Go ahead even and just kind of like pack some in the inner corner, even though there will be glitter going on in that area. Just get a base for now. Been doing a lot of just more in-depth, bold, colorful eyeshadow looks lately, so every once in a while I want to do something a little bit softer, but it's still gonna have oomph, you know? I'm gonna take my Illamasqua Precision Gel Liner really quick, and this is a teeny tiny liner brush. Look how small that is. It's from Sigma. It's the E06. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna very lightly just kind of draw the tiniest flick of a wing coming out from my outer corner. I'm not gonna extend this across my entire lid. You could do this with like a traditional liner too, but I like using the gel in this case because I can use a very light hand and kind of build it up slowly so it's not crazy intense right off the bat. Because my main reason for doing this is lately I've been playing with half lashes a lot, and I like the way it looks when it's just kind of like a subtle smoky winged liner with like that half lash. I think it looks really pretty on my eye shape. I struggle with doing half lashes sometimes because it's hard to make my natural lashes look good, but I found that the e.l.f. Big Mood Waterproof makes them stay curled enough to where I can keep it all blended together, which is nice. So that's been good. I'm just kind of smoking and connecting it to the outer corner of my lower lash as well, so it all flows, just like that. And then I'm just gonna take this Blend Bunny B3 brush and I'm gonna kind of smoke her out. That's pretty much it, you know, like I might like re-intensify, kind of go back and forth a little bit, but you know, that's pretty much the gist of it. Just trying to enhance that outer corner a little bit. What are birthdays like for you? Do you like get super into them? Do you just feel sad? Do you go into existential crisis mode? I like birthdays enough. I feel like I have a birthday curse though, so I try not to do anything with like a lot of people because I feel like something always goes wrong. And I don't know why that is. It happens every year that I try to do something with multiple people. So Zane and I usually just do things just the two of us now because it makes it a lot better. And if anything, like I try to just use it as an excuse to just like not work and so we can do something. Not even necessarily for my birthday. Like for instance, I'm excited about the trip coming up, but it's not so much like that it's my birthday coming up, you know what I mean? I think it's fine. I'm not afraid of growing up or aging or anything like that. It is all a part of life. It happens to all of us. And in theory, as I continue to grow and age, the more I will learn and hopefully the better life we'll get, you know? But we'll see. We will see. Time will tell. I literally can't believe we're halfway through the year. That is bonkers to me. It does not feel real. I don't know how I feel about this year in general so far. I feel like it's been fine. I feel like for the world, it's been a mess, but for myself personally, it's just been okay. Can't really complain, but I don't feel like anything majorly life-changing has happened yet. It's just been fine. See, just a nice smoky situation. Nothing too crazy. I do feel like my other eye got extended a little bit more, so I should smoke this just a wee bit more just to make it match a little bit better. This look definitely comes together more once I put on mascara and throw on my half lashes. And for the glitter, I want to use this from Unearthly. If I can get it opened, this one, because it has that pretty pink shift to it. It's the MC9, the Molten Chrome Gel number 9. If you buy these, keep the little tab. That's what keeps it nice and ready to go. I'm just gonna use that brush I used earlier. This is just from MOTD Cosmetics. I just don't feel like dirtying another brush right now. And I'm just lightly tapping into it so I can grab just little bits at a time. I'm just gonna start kind of lightly packing it in the inner area. I'm not going for like chunky with this per se. I just wanted like a cute little shift when I like turn my head different ways, a little bit of sparkle. Although I feel like this particular product does pick up a little bit better when you have like some kind of eyeshadow down, like something a little bit darker. Oh, I think it's cute. You can definitely see the little pink twinkles in there. I like it. I'm basically just gonna kind of go back and forth and just kind of keep building this up where I see fit until I'm content enough with it. Here we go. I feel like I'm building it up on that side a little bit better. Just kind of go back and forth until I'm happy. And then I'm gonna throw on my eye pencil, my mascara, half lashes, all that good stuff, my lipstick, and I will be back when I'm complete. I told you this look would be a little on the easy breezy side. I wanted something still fun, but something I didn't have to spend a ton of time on, you know? Because I've been doing that a lot lately. I wanted something a little more simple. Ooh, I like that pink. The more I build it up, the more I like it. It's making my lids look just so glossy. Okay, I'll be back. All right, and this is the look complete. I really, really like how it came out. I feel like it's fun and has bold aspects, but yet it was very simple and I feel very cute. And I just thank you for hanging out with me on my birthday. I have gone through quite a few birthdays here on my YouTube channel. I think this is like maybe my 4th birthday on my channel, so thank you so much for hanging out. By the way, for the rest of this look, I was just gonna breeze right past it. I did throw on some star stamps from Colourpop. I just felt like it added to it a little bit more. My lashes are Jessie lashes from Salem Cosmetics, cut in half. My waterline is the #1 pencil from Odin's Eye. I don't know the name of it. It's the pink one. The names aren't listed on the thing, but it's #1. I'll have it listed down below for you. And on my lips, I went with the Cactus Flower lip clay from Kaleidos. I was feeling pink today, and I like it. I think this is really fun. Thank you so much for hanging out, watching this video, whether you watch it today on my birthday or in the future. I just appreciate you so much. I actually did recently hit 30,000 subscribers. I mentioned it on my vlog channel because that was like the first video I was filming after it happened. And I just thank you all so much. It means the world to me. I cannot believe it. I'm just super excited. And I appreciate all of you more than you can possibly know. If you made it to the end of this video, why don't you leave me some birthday emojis? Because I'm 28 now. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It helps my channel out a lot. And if you're not already, you can follow me on my other socials. You can join the BATTYBEAN fam. I am BATTYBEAN on everything, Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. And if you want, you can subscribe if you want to see more of my videos. I'm posting most days over here. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Okay, bye. My bangs are doing something crazy right now. I cannot wait to cut these bad boys in a couple days. Trying to get that one cat hair off your face. It is like finding a needle in a haystack.